it's Tony. Today I have a try-on haul for you from Express. This is actually my first time ordering clothing from Express. I think my first time shopping at Express in general. I bought a few, actually not even a few, I bought 5 bodysuits and 1 jacket. The jacket has yet to be delivered, so I'll just probably insert that clip when it gets here, or I'll just tell you what it looks like. Maybe if I can find a picture to insert it over here somewhere. But yeah, I have 5 bodysuits. This is actually one that I have on right now. This is the first bodysuit. I actually forgot the name of this bodysuit. Is it on here? No, it's not. I'll put the name in over there because I actually don't even remember the name of it. But it kind of has a faux sweetheart neckline with a, not even faux, it really is a sweetheart neckline. But then it's also a wrap or surplice design. Surplice is like the fashion term for it. And it has puff sleeves, which are so beautiful. These are the sleeves here. There we go. Really, really beautiful puff sleeves here. And then they actually are also a tulip sleeve. Like what? It's tulip and puff sleeve? It's just so much. I love it. So tulip as in like the flower where the petals close over, or petal sleeve, where they close over each other. So that's a petal sleeve. And then it's got that puff sleeve. And it's kind of, it's not ruched, but it's gathered. It's got that gather in it. And it's almost like a cowl, if you see it. Like a cowl type sleeve. There's another fashion term that I cannot remember right now, y'all. I graduated from fashion school a long time ago. But I'll put in the term because I want you all to know the term as well. But it's, yeah, this type of sleeve it is. I just love this beautiful draped sleeve. It's just like, oh, chef's kiss. And I have my chest covered just a little bit there because I didn't pin it. And I don't want it to fly open. It won't fly open. Like, this is no hands. It's relatively safe. Now, if you're hopping around and moving, it could open more. For me and my taste personally, I would just kind of tack it here. Yeah. Oh yeah, that's perfect. I would just tack it here just to make sure that all my bosoms are not hanging out. So, yeah. And then I think it would really secure that sweetheart neckline. And again, I love these sleeves. They're just beautifully draped. They really are. Oh, and then let me show you the back. So this is the back. It's not really low. It's a little bit lower. It goes down like to right there, which isn't really that far. But I love it overall. It's really, really, really nice. And then this is the print. Not the print, but the manipulation on the fabric. I forget. My friend and I were talking about this. She's actually the reason why I bought these. There's a term. Again, y'all, I feel so terrible. I do not remember any of the terms today. But again, I'll put it right there. The term to describe this fabric. It's a bodysuit. It ends right here and around like my lower waist, because your natural waist is actually right here. It's right where your ribcage stops. But it ends just a little bit lower. If I pulled it up some, oh yeah. If I pull it up some more, ooh, goodness. Okay. If I pull it up a little bit more, it might hit my natural waist. Yeah, it would. Yeah, if you pull it all the way up. I just don't like getting wedgies from my bodysuit, so I usually don't slide them all the way up like that. But if you want to, it'll do. I feel like this would be perfect for a dinner, for going out with your girls, or maybe if you want to go out on a date or anything like that. Or even if you just, it's a fancy Tuesday, you know? I say do it, go for it. I think it'll look great with many different hairstyles. So you see right now I am rocking the fro today. I actually had it pulled up in a puff when I went to work to clean out my classroom. But now I decided for the video to do a nice little central part before I go and wash my hair later. But I think it looks great with my fro. I love that. And then I would pull some earrings. I think maybe I would do these. Yeah, I think these would be perfect. Oh, you can see the color in my hair. Oh, okay. Yeah, so these would be perfect. I already have earrings on, but I think I would choose these to go with this because they look really fancy. Or I could even wear these. And these are really beautiful. I love these earrings too. So they're like a leopard print. That will look fabulous with these. Oh yes, yes. I'm loving all of that. And again, it's black, so you can even do color if you wanted to. I'm very much go big or go home, so. And I'm already home, so I'm going big. I think I would probably go with these because they're really bright and beautiful. Oh yeah. Yes. I feel just very regal. Like I should really be at the ball right now. So this is the cream one. It's not even fully white. It's definitely more of a cream. I love this. This is so pretty. I am not one to wear white or even light colors because y'all, I feel so beautiful in this. I love that. Thinking the white earrings. Yes, and these are beaded. These are so beautiful. Okay. Yeah. Those. Ooh. Or I can do these. These are clay. Okay, you can't really see. Wait, there it is. It's a cute little daisy. Which are definitely a statement on their own. Yeah. I can see that. See these together. With the fro. I'm loving it. I would probably pair this with some high-waist jeans. Yes. Okay, high-waist jeans, I'm thinking, and with a bright lip, possibly purple, but not like dark purple. I'm thinking more of a fuchsia. That'd be perfect. But yeah, again, this one actually didn't hook the bottom part of the bodysuit. That's what it looks like. But I just have, for the purpose of the video, I don't want to have it all the way pulled up. So again, this is what it looks like, and for my own personal preference, I would just tack it right here. Yeah, just a little tack. And when I say tack, I mean to sew it down right here. That way I just wouldn't have to think about my entire chest being out. But I do like this design. This, not design, this style, I should say. This is so pretty. Oh, and then again, here's the back. So same back. It's not too low. It just feels very regal. I can even see this being paired with maybe a satin maxi skirt for just, like I said, a very regal look. Very regal. I say denim to dress it up. I mean, to dress it down with even maybe some, dare I say, white Adidas. Who am I? Okay, but anyway, that's potential. Only because I love my Adidas, and I would try to transition them into maybe something a little bit of mix of formal / informal. We'll see how that goes. But I like it. I really like it. Far back. Okay, so this is the last bodysuit in this particular style. I still have two more in another style. This is the navy blue. I really like this navy blue. It's so pretty. Go. Actually, yes they would. Yes they would. Yes, navy on navy earrings. Yes. Okay. So these are from Target from, I think, maybe 4 years ago, maybe 3 years ago, 2 or 3. May even be daring and wear these. Okay, so I thought I may even be daring and wear these earrings, and these are from, oh gosh, what was the name of these? Oh, that's terrible. Okay, so again, y'all, my memory today, I'm gonna put it right here, like just right there. But I bought these from my teen teacher's sister-in-law. But it's an earring brand or a jewelry brand, and I think they're faith-based as well. So I bought them, and these are so cute. And they have red and navy and green and yellow in them, and then also in mauve and a light green too. But that would be really cute with this. I would even say maybe the pink, only because there are navy beads in this. So even though these earrings are pink, they're a light pink, but they have these navy blue beads in them, and navy and pink always look really great together. So these are a contender. for this outfit. Alright, I'm gonna switch into the next one. Alright, so before I get into this next bodysuit, a few things really quickly about this one. This last style that I was trying on. It has, you can put it on, you can put it like step into it and then pull it up, or you can pull it down over your head. So it has two options because this neckline is open and it's wrap or surplice, which means that it's open. Also, these sleeves do have some elastic in them, so they do have a stretch. So if you wanted to, I guess, pull them down a little bit further on your shoulder, you definitely could. You have that option with the elastic in the sleeves. Also just makes it really comfortable too. But for me, I don't know. If I pulled it down off my shoulders, I think it probably just expose too much cleavage for me. So y'all, earlier I said that I would not wear this off the shoulder because I thought it would maybe expose too much again, but y'all, I love this off the shoulder though. Like, look at it. And it's not too much either. I thought it was gonna be much more revealing than it actually is. Oh my gosh, right? Just like, look at this. Listen, I'm gonna show a little shoulder. So, I feel very Little Mermaid, very Ariel. Well, her dress, it wasn't fully off the shoulders, but she had big puffy sleeves. It was kind of a sweetheart neckline situation. Y'all, I'd say I spoke a little too soon. I think, like I said, I'll tack it here, but I will definitely be wearing this off my shoulder. And a little décolleté. Or décolletage. So y'all, for real though, I'm loving all of this. Loving it. But again, we go from off the shoulder to back on the shoulder. Now this is another bodysuit. Again, I'm going to tell you, I'm going to write in the name over there. Y'all, I'm telling you, I should have looked in to remember what they're called before I started doing the try on haul. But this one is just it's called the Silky Suede something. I don't know. This one is interesting. I don't know. It was called Blush, I think Blush Nude? Blush Taupe. But for me, it's reading more beige than blush. I'm looking in the mirror behind the camera. It looks more beige, which I'm okay with beige. It's just that I was definitely expecting some kind of blush, a hint of pink in it. Maybe it depends on who wears it and skin tone. But I would say for this top, I could wear these earrings. Yes, because it matches with that kind of beige undertone. So these would look really cute with that. The orange earrings would definitely do it. Because there's a little bit of a gold ribbon through there. Yeah. Or even these would definitely work too. Just go and wear white. Even y'all, the green. I like the green with the beige. I think that'd be really pretty together. Yeah. I'm thinking yellow. Yeah. This is the black one. And like I said, it's the exact same one. It says black, but it does come off as kind of gray. Maybe a really dark gray, charcoal almost. But again, it all depends on the material too. Because of this weighted material, it's not going to look like a deep, true black. That's right, I took my earrings off. But for this, I would just go really casual with this top. So these earrings, which again, you've seen these about 3 times by now. And now that it's not as bright outside, it looks a little bit better. But I could wear that with that. I would even say maybe these. I always love these. The little beaded flowers. Thank y'all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed my try on haul and that you will give this a thumbs up, subscribe, and let me know what other videos you would like to see. I'm hoping to get more videos out, to do a little rebrand of my channel, and yeah, so stay tuned. Thank you for those of you who are still here, for those who newly subscribed, just everyone who tunes into my channel. I really appreciate it. And I think that's it. Thank you so much. Take care, be blessed, and I will see you in another video.